Y'all, I'm Darlicia, and welcome to Darlicia's Kitchen. Let's start cooking. Hey, what's up, my good people? I am starting off with 2 lobster tails, and what I'm doing right here is I have my kitchen shears, and I'm just making sure that I am cutting in between the meat and the shell because I don't want to cut the meat. And then I gently pull the shell apart. Gently. I don't want to break it all the way. I just want to pull it apart just enough so that I can pull the meat up in between it. To be gentle when pulling the meat up too, because you don't want to tear the meat completely off of the shell of the tail. You want to pull it up gently, and then once you get it up, you want to pinch the shell back together gently and then put the meat on top. And then I just do the same thing with the other tail. So once you have the meat on top of the shell the way you like, make sure to rinse the meat because pieces of the shell can fall into the meat when you cut the shell. So you want to make sure you rinse it well. Then I have my oven preheated at 375, and I place my tails on a baking tray or a baking sheet, and then I simply season them with pepper and paprika, and that's it. I then place them in the oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. And they come out looking like this. So delicious, y'all. I served my lobster tails with crab cakes and a nice salad. Check out Darlicia's Kitchen and Garden on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.